Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about Schemantra, how schemas we can actually apply. Okay. So I have opened it over here and you can see schema types over here. When you click over here, you will be able to find out schema types with the help of these alphabets. Okay. So for example, if we are looking for dental schema, we just need to click on D and then we can find out like this dental or dentist schema. So there are two schemas, dentist and dentistry. So if we open the dentist schema over here, we can see that this is for the dentist. And you can even also see the subtype of this particular schema, which is going to be local business schema, medical business, and then medical organization. And these are also separate schemas for your website, for the dedicated pages that you can add on your website. And then if you scroll a bit down there, you will be able to see that you can actually generate and create your own JSON code for the schema, right? So here you need to fill all the required details. ID, that is going to be dentist, the type of schema that you will be adding, that is already added over there. And once you keep on adding these details over here, so for example, if I add Brisbane location, then you can see that a particular set of code has been generated, right? And then let's suppose if you are adding any description, obviously you need to optimize your keywords over here that you can add, and then you can move on. You can even also add your email over here, right? And then if you scroll down, you can see that you can add your Google business link as well in this. And then if there is any image, you can add the image URL over here. Keywords, for example, dentist in Brisbane. So you can add the keywords as well. And if you want to add more keywords, you can just click on plus sign and then you can add more such keywords. And there is no limit of adding any keywords as well. You can see that keywords has been added over here like this. Okay. And then dedicated URL that you would like to target, altitude and even latitude of the particular local business location, that can be added over here. So you just need to fill all the details, and even if you are getting confused what kind of details needs to be added in that particular uh, you can say option, then you can see that there are properties description is also given in the schemantra. This is the best part about the same. So there are 119 properties that you can see, and you can fill as per your requirement and relevancy. It is not mandatory that you need to fill all the 19 properties for this particular schema or any certain schema as well. You can fill out as many as you want, which is necessary for you, and you will get a proper description. Like in address, you need to add the physical address of that particular item, aggregate rating, the overall rating based on collection of reviews and ratings of the item, right? And what else needs to be added, all the things have been displayed over here. So that is it. Let me know in case of any